Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by prioritizing safety and legality. Make sure the rifle is unloaded, the magazine removed, and you physically inspect the chamber. Once done, verify local laws and any required permits so you remain compliant. You should have the manufacturer's assembly manual and proper tools ready. Make sure to wear eye protection and keep a qualified gunsmith's contact available. This prevents dangerous mistakes and ensures you have authoritative guidance before attempting any mechanical work. You should proceed by consulting the factory schematic to recognize each major component and how they relate. This helps avoid forcing parts together. As you inspect components, look for wear, cracks, or missing pins, and only use replacement parts from authorized sources. Once parts are organized, avoid improvisation with makeshift tools or modified pieces. If alignment is uncertain or a part won't seat cleanly, pause the work and contact a qualified gunsmith to prevent unsafe assembly. You finish by arranging for a qualified armorer to conduct final fitting and a comprehensive function check, because subtle tolerances matter for safe operation. Once cleared, store the firearm unloaded in a locked container with ammunition stored separately, following local storage regulations. If anything feels wrong, parts binding, unusual gaps, or poor fit, stop immediately. Do not force components. The key troubleshooting step is to consult a licensed gunsmith or manufacturer support, rather than attempting risky fixes yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.